Hello and welcome to the TMC Newsroom. My name is Rich Tehrani. Thanks for watching. We are at Interrupt, New York 2010. On our program today, Chris Lopes, co-founder and VP of Worldwide Sales at Netlist. Hello, Chris.
Hey, Rich. How's it going?
Great. Having a great show. How's the show going for you?
Excellent. Very excited.
So tell us a little bit about your company, please.
Well, we're an infrastructure manufacturer of specialized memory subsystems. And our memory goes into servers manufactured by companies like HP, Dell, and IBM, among others, that allows a higher memory footprint, up to 384 gigabytes of RAM, and allows it to run very fast, up to 1333 megatransfer speed.
So what is it about your memory? What sort of technology are you using that's allowing it to operate so rapidly?
We make two custom ASIC devices that go onto the memory DIMM. The first is a register device that allows us to double the amount of ranks that the memory can actually address. And the second is a buffer chip that gives us a 4-to-1 rank reduction, which gives us the high speed.
Is that like a cache or not, the buffer chip?
The RAM itself can be acted as a cache. The buffer itself is really a capacitive loading. It's a mixed signal chip that reduces the capacitive loading on the memory bus.
So thereby speeding it up?
It speeds up the memory bus that way.
Okay.
That's right.
Okay. And how long have you been doing this?
We started this kind of work back in 2003. Our company was founded in 2000, but back in 2003 with DDR1 memory, we did some of this work with Apple Computer. And we introduced this new chipset called the HyperCloud chipset just about a year ago.
And in terms of market pickup and market thoughts, what are they saying in the market about this new product, the HyperCloud?
Well, very excited. We're doing a lot of work now in marketing to our customer's customer, to our end users. And end users that are doing finite element modeling, computational fluid dynamics, genomics. They're doing some virtualization and increasing the number of virtual machines they're running, and very excited about having a large memory footprint without a speed penalty. And we're very excited about it.
I can imagine. Now, what about financial markets? They're not...
Financial markets are a big one because the larger RAM database that you have to operate out of reduces your disk access. And if you look at a hard drive being about 1 million times slower than a DRAM in terms of access input and output, you get tremendous throughput enhancement. So we're testing some of our memory right now with some of the largest financial institutions in the world.
How about oil, gas exploration?
Sure. Map the whole data space into RAM and you can really operate fast.
Weather modeling?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Those are the main ones. Then I would just think university applications. They must have a bunch of applications.
Sure. University of Tokyo is a customer right now.
Makes a lot of sense. Okay, so that's a pretty broad range of customers, right? That are interested in just having more memory and faster computations.
Right.
So as you look out at this market, and you're publicly traded too, which we should mention in case anyone's interested in looking you up and looking up the ticker symbol. Which exchange are you on? Was it Russell?
No, we're on NASDAQ.
NASDAQ, okay. Yeah, Russell 2000, yeah, I got confused there for a second. Yeah. What trends have you seen in the market in the last couple of years?
Well, if you look at the multi-core processors that have come out from both Intel and AMD, you can think of that as a super high performance engine. But without an effective transmission to deliver that multi-core power, the end user is somewhat unbalanced in what they can get out of that technology. We feel we can help balance that very effectively, give them enough memory to utilize every core that they've got now in the processor. So that plays directly in line with virtualization, and we're doing some work with VMware in particular, who's running benchmarks now to see just what we can do in terms of virtual machines inside of physical machines. We have a demo at our booth today where we're showing 100 virtual machines in one server.
Wow.
Yeah, with 384 gigabytes of memory and a 2 processor family, 2 AMD boxes.
Wow, it's pretty impressive.
Yeah.
So, and that's the future, isn't it? We're going to have more cores and we're going to have more virtualization, and so if you can get one box to do more and more and more, right, that's where we're going.
You reduce your power footprint, your storage space costs. So in a place like Manhattan or San Francisco where office space is at a huge premium, makes a lot of sense to do more with fewer machines.
And I should clarify, Russell 2000 is an index that you're part
We're
of.
part of that index,
Yes.
that's correct.
So I misspoke a moment ago. Anything else we should know about your company and what's going on in the future?
We're doing some pretty neat things in RAID cache storage. We have a product called NetVault, where we eliminate the battery that's normally used in a battery-backed memory. Now, as you know, most people are wanting to get rid of batteries, and batteries wear out. They're environmentally toxic, so we found a way to get rid of those batteries. We work closely with Dell. We announced that product recently. So in a Dell system, when you buy a server from Dell and you have a RAID enablement, one of the options is to put a large memory storage called NetVault, and we're the maker of that. We designed that, been doing that kind of work for about 5 years.
Very exciting.
Yes.
Okay, well thanks for being on the program and good luck.
All right, thanks,
we'll
Rich.
see you soon, hopefully.
Okay, appreciate it.